Paul Bacon's Rat Rod van represents one of the most practical yet striking custom builds in British automotive culture. The 44-year-old mechanic from Leicestershire transformed a traditional London black cab into a horror movie-worthy vehicle in just 7 days, creating what he considers his most usable custom creation. Bacon purchased the retired London taxi for £450, approximately $590 in 2017, initially intending to use only its chassis for another project. However, needing a van quickly for his custom shop advertising, he decided on a complete conversion. The transformation required cutting off the rear section of the original cab and rebuilding it entirely using timber framing, fiberglass, and expanding foam that he hand-molded into the desired shape. The rusty exterior finish was meticulously crafted, using multiple layers of paint and lacquer to create an authentic weathered appearance, necessary because fiberglass doesn't naturally rust. Bacon lowered the wheel arches rather than the suspension itself, achieving the characteristic rat rod stance while maintaining practicality. The rear bumper deliberately scrapes the asphalt, adding to the aggressive aesthetic. The van retains its original 2.7-liter Nissan diesel engine, standard in London taxis, ensuring reliable parts availability and maintenance. The driver's seat comes from a 1974 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, which Bacon predicted would fit perfectly. Additional rat rod styling includes truck mirrors and a Cyclone-style cooler mounted beside the front window. The vehicle reaches a top speed of 65 miles per hour, 105 kilometers per hour. The total project cost reached £1,000, $1,310, including the original cab purchase. Bacon uses the van daily for personal transport and business purposes, emphasizing its reliability over performance. The vehicle consistently starts each morning and carries substantial cargo in the rear section. The van's striking appearance generates considerable public attention, with people frequently approaching Bacon to ask questions about the build. This attention serves as effective advertising for his Cyclone Works shop, making the project both functionally and commercially successful. This build demonstrates how retired London taxis can serve as excellent foundations for custom vehicles. The project showcases the resourcefulness characteristic of British custom car culture, proving that impressive results can be achieved with limited time and budget constraints while maintaining daily usability.